Hi, welcome to my program. Basically today I gonna make a nice delicious cake. It's wheat-free and gluten-free. The reason why, because my son is got an allergy tolerance to wheat, and I come up with this recipe straightforward, and sometimes you cannot afford. The prices they sell them nowadays is so expensive. If you make this yourself, what is nice about it, it lasts you about 10 days in the fridge, and it's such delicious cake, and it's easy to make, as I said. The material you need: a ring, a little bit of oil, and I'll explain to you why. Material, the whisk, I need 2 saucepans like this. Okay, the ingredients: a ground almond, a rose water, baking powder, soda, 1 lemon, and don't forget this, to do the zest, and ground pistachio. It's straightforward. The recipe is 600 grams of ground almond. So make sure this is a 4, another 2 to go. And we need 10 eggs, and I give the recipe afterward. The pistachio, gram of pistachio, and I leave some extra for decoration. A little bit. This is soda powder, a baking powder, lemon zest, and don't forget to put the juice. Nothing goes wasted here. Just to get that flavor. Okay. 10 eggs. I forgot the sugar. And 300 grams of caster sugar. Just gentle. Get all the sugar blend in, the lemon zest, the lemon juice. And this is the rose water I use. Just a couple cups. I like flavor. I'm going to be generous. 3. Remember, it's the wheat-free and gluten-free. So I'm going to hold it with the eggs. 10. Sometimes the eggs, they can be different size. When I see medium, what you do, if you get a bit dry, just add another egg. You want it nice and creamy. Alright.
Are you doing your Dutch pancakes?
No.
Eggy bread then for her? For the caramelised? So you want eggy bread with the caramelised?
You remain off all the eggs. Oh, bit shells here. Out. Give it a nice mix. And believe me, it's such a delicious cake and easy to make. See? This is what you want. That rose water good to your brain. It's so nice and so powerful. The rose water I use, they are North African from the Middle East. They smell wonderful. And this rose water, like it brings time back. It smells beautifully. That's what the old days they used to do it for perfume. Back to the pharaohs. They used to throw this in their sheets. They used to, when they have a bath and a shower, they used to put this in their bodies. My mix is done. Look, I'll show you the old tricks. If you don't want to wash up too much, just you got some oil. Just put some oil here. It helps you out in the end, but washing it easy. Just a little bit of oil. Okay. That's your mix. He goes in. And this is if feed about, the ring is 10 by 10 inch. You know, if you're my family, we can divide this cake, we can to 10 portion, but you guys, you can do it to 16. We like cakes back home. They feed you eggs for they feed you sweet for breakfast. How nice is that? Now if I can get a scraper, nothing goes wasted. Make sure you put everything.
Where's the photos of the cake? Have you sent photos to Oliver?
Okay, this is what you want. Move this out of the way. A little tap. Come with me to the oven. Okay. The oven temperature 320. There you go. He goes in 35 minutes to 40, depending on your oven. The cooking, because I use a bakery oven, maybe use at home. Just, you know, play with it, fiddle with it. So make the cooking yours, not mine. Come with me. Icing for the cake. The 250 gram of icing sugar. Because I am a baker, you also make sure you save it. Use the safe. Okay. Now, rose water again. Two of these little cups. Water, try with 2 first, 1 and 2, soup spoon. With this icing, you can use it for writing, if you want to like cake, you deglaze it with danishes. Alright, I'll give you another one. Use your arm. Enjoy the cooking. Cooking is about love and care. Because my son, he has that tolerance. And even sometimes we do like 10 to 12 hour shift. What you do is still got that love for your family. Don't rush and don't believe people say to you, oh, cooking in 15 minutes. That's not cooking. You know, you must put family come first. Okay. This is done. The icing, look at it. Straightforward. Okay, that's my cake. I cooked earlier before the program. Look, spongy and lovely, flour free. Alright. For this side, there we go. Scrape all the icing. After this, I'll give you the recipe. Okay. You don't have it to be professional to use the palette knife. Just here. Hand here, just in the middle, gentle. Spray, spray. Look, it's absolutely amazing. Everybody can make cakes. Everybody. If you make a mistake on the cake, make it yours. Doesn't come out. Hey, here's the pistachio. And this cake, it lasts you 10 days in the fridge. Look at that. You can imagine how much you pay to buy this from the local baker, because it's wheat-free, gluten-free, because the almond is expensive. And I showed you the easy way how to save money. So it's a delicious cake. Okay, the ingredients is ground almond 600 gram. 300 gram of caster sugar, 200 gram of pistachio, 3 drops of this rose water, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 soda, and 10 eggs, and don't forget 1 lemon zest. Okay, now the icing, 250 gram of icing sugar. We put 4 of soup spoons and 2 cups of this rose water. We give this a good mix. Et voila.